Hi, my name is Dan Chavio. I'm a staff scientist here at Science North. And today I want to talk about a couple of things. I would like to discuss a little bit about being green, like green initiatives. But I also want to talk about getting our children outside and experiencing nature and going against what's been termed this nature deficit disorder. A lot of children now are not familiar with their natural environment because they've just been cloistered indoors too much, or they're just not experiencing it. And, it's been found, and I believe also that if you bring your children outdoors, you will get them to appreciate their natural environment. And when they become adults and as they age, you will tend to become stewards of that environment. So they will be the ones who are preserving the environment for the future. Even during the school year, which spans not throughout the primary growing season, you can have some green initiatives in the schoolyard. Have the kids plant some bulbs in the fall, or have them put some perennials in, things that they're going to be able to see the following year. The important thing is not necessarily the green initiative, which means a lot, but it's actually getting the children out there. We want to get the children outside as much as possible, and that's making sure that the children are and the parents are aware that they're going to be going outside on regular intervals. Make sure that they have the proper clothing. Some places in Europe, it's very predominant for the children to actually be going outside every day, regardless of the weather. And studies have shown that this is very beneficial to the children, and that it is creating a sense of stewardship for the environment around them. There's a bunch of different activities can be done. In the wintertime, of course, you can do snowmen and you can do sliding and you can do a whole bunch of things. But throughout the rest of the year, you can use the outdoors, if weather permits, as a natural classroom. Everywhere around us there are interactions happening between plants and animals, and there's relationships with the environment, the climate, and so on. So there are many things that can be done with the children on a regular basis, on a day-to-day basis. In addition to that, schools can also provide some initiatives to help the children be more environmentally aware, or as they call them, green initiatives. Things like vermicomposting, where they can put their food in compost bins and the worms will turn it into a very rich, usable soil for the garden that they may be planting. There are also recycling initiatives, and these initiatives have proven to be much more successful when the students are actually involved and leading the initiatives. So you'll get a couple of champions of recycling in the school, and they become the people who are responsible for recycling, and also they become sort of the mentors of the other students to teach them about recycling. Everybody knows about recycling, but people aren't necessarily aware of what is recyclable, and all different areas have different programs, and most areas have very good programs. So we can actually produce very little waste, and we can have our children lead the initiative, and it'll just pave a better path for the future.